Jordan Heading is finally headed to the PBA. Sorry, wala na ibang maisip na pa na word. But wow, what a great pickup for Converge. Matagal na nililigawan to si Jordan Heading from Terra Firma. It looks like they were able to buy his rights. They traded for him. Aljun Melesh, do you remember the trade details? Well, what matters is he's now with Converge. They look like a title contender. They just to give you guys a look at their starting five or a snapshot. They got Justin Arana, Justin Baltazar. You got Alex Stockton, you got Shawnee Winston, and then your point guard is Jordan Heading. And let's welcome back Mario to the podcast. So Mario, ano sa tingin mo? What do you feel about this trade na magsasabay-sabay sila this December with Cheikh Diallo as their main import for this upcoming Commissioner's Cup? How do you where do you see Converge in this
Where,
upcoming conference?
where do I see Converge? Well, first of all, hi guys, I'm back. Sorry, di ako nakapag-update.
I'm back.
It's been a it's been a testing 1 week, admittedly. So, but I am here. Genuinely coming into this coming conference, they look good. Honestly, they look good. Especially if we saw. Well, to be fair, we just saw Jordan Heading, diba? We just saw him dun sa SGA
Yung
tournament.
pocket tournament, yeah.
And yung kasama si Dwight, bro is still as much of a shooter, if not even more of a shooter ngayon kumpara dati. Let's, diba? So Converge looks good, man. Stockton on the rise pa rin si Stockton. Justin Arana will always be Justin Arana. And now you get the addition of Justin Baltazar, who many people have the assumption na magmamamaw. Basta magiging mamaw siya sa Liga. And then you add who I will probably assume will be the best 3-point shooter in the PBA once he gets in. It'll be between him and Marshall. Pero to me, Jordan Heading has a very good chance of being the best 3-point shooter sa liga na to. You're and then you still have Shawnee Winston who has,
Stockton din. Kung
yeah.
saan tumitira si Stockton. All-around player si
So,
Stockton eh. Anyway, with Shawnee, sorry, I interrupted you.
go lang, no problem. Umaangat sila. Shawnee's game has been improving. We saw it this conference. Well, do we say improving or do we say na na-unleash na siya kasi di siya
More
pwede
of nagka-minutes na siya. More of
uh,
nagka-minutes na siya. I think yun yung tamang
exactly,
term.
right? Yeah. So, na-unleash na finally si Shawnee, finally given minutes sa Converge. And then you add yung Jordan Heading and then you import nila Diallo. Am I right?
Jake Diallo.
Yeah,
Oh, yung
that's it, right?
former Pelican. 13th
Seven
pick yun
footer.
eh.
Sa
Oh,
Tim
no,
Halos,
si 6'9".
seven
He's
footer.
nice, 6'9", 6'10" lang. Si
Oh,
Jake
yeah.
Diallo.
Still gigantic, man.
Yeah.
Uh, so your front line becomes Baltazar,
No,
who
no,
is,
Jake Diallo muna at the 5. Then you
yeah,
put Balti at the 4. Ay,
Balti.
shit. No, no, no. Arana at the 4.
Uy, three mo si Balti?
Oh, try
Pwede.
mo.
Kaya
So,
niya,
Coach
kaya niya.
Charles, Coach Charles,
Kaya
nandyan,
niya.
Raiko.
But can Arana defend a four? I don't know about
Remains
that.
to be seen. But
Yeah.
they're gonna try that. You know they're
Yeah,
gonna
they
try
have to.
that.
Yeah, so now look at your lineup, right? It becomes I assume you are starting Jordan Heading.
Yeah.
You have Stockton Heading, Baltazar Arana Diallo. That's a very, very,
It's a
very formidable
great 5. What
starting
a
five. That's
5.
a very good starting five in this league. And outside of actually, let me check how old he is.
Jordan Heading's young. Who are you talking about?
38. Yeah, 38.
He's
Outside of
young.
Jordan Heading, it's a very young core. Actually,
Ganda ng core
kasama,
ng Converge.
including Jordan Heading, it's still a very young core. Around 24 to 29 years old. That's very good in the PBA. You'll have a
Oo.
maybe a 6 to 8 year winnings. What's it called? A 6 to 8 year window kung saan ka pwede
Window. Matagal talaga
make
window
some.
nila. 6 to 8. Minimum
Yeah,
pa nga yun if you think about it.
yeah, minimum. And then now you're starting to see na Converge is starting to make noise, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi na lagi yung, oy, kukunin ng SMC yan. Oy, kukunin ng MVP yan. There is finally, for me, meron na talagang of independent team who is able to make noise with the big boys. So, there are talks of I don't know if we're not talking about it, pero may talks si Mikey Williams, may talks na pwede si Troy Rosario dun sa Converge. So,
Mhm.
how long has it been since we've seen an independent team na may chance makakuha ng mga big names na yun. It's been few far in between, di ba?
Oo.
Sobrang rare, di ba? So, right now, Converge is looking good. It looks fun. Honestly, it gives a bit more excitement because honestly, I love Jordan Heading. I've been waiting for Jordan Heading, and hopefully ito na yung ano niya, ito na yung pathway niya into coming back into Gilas. Yan yung akin.
Ito na nga yun nga eh. Sana maano siya ulit ni Coach Tim ma-consider.
Yeah. I mean, can you imagine? He's here. He's fine.
Nandito na siya. Hindi na siya
Oh,
madali bunutin from like, or sa Australia ka. Ah, shit, never mind.
yeah. He has to be in the Philippines. Wala na siya sa Japanese League. Wala siya sa Korean League. He has to
NBL,
play in
NBL.
the
Wala siya
Philippines.
NBL. Mm-mm.
Yeah, wala siya sa Australia NBL too. So now he's able. You can finally play. Hopefully, you can have time with Jordan Heading. It's. I hope it's not a fever dream. I hope it comes into reality. Kasi we've talked about it before. Yung Gilas lineups natin always kulang sa shooting lang naman eh, 'di ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
So a Jordan Heading addition would be great. But sticking to the PBA, Converge will be very exciting sa tingin ko sa upcoming conference. How do you think he's gonna fare sa PBA? We haven't seen him in a while.
I feel like he's gonna play really well. I mean, Jordan Heading nasasanay tayo kasi makita siya with his highlights in the NBL, yung SGA, fina-follow natin throughout the summer kasi wala namang basketball na nangyayari ng time na yun. Uh, so I think if I'm going to guess his stats, maybe 12 a game. We got some 4 assists here and maybe shooting 38-39% from three. Just 45% from the field. Because Jordan Heading, people forget he's also a sneaky slasher. He can
Exactly.
take
Very sneaky last
he has an off the dribble game.
Yeah.
Hindi na siya set shooter like how Coach Tab is using him. Although Coach Tab really used him well. But nakita mo sa SGA na, may handles pala to. Kaya
Mhm.
pala to makasabay sa defense at least, like
Yeah.
stay in front of his man.
Yeah.
Makakasabay sila sa Alriadi. With him
Yeah.
as the, di ba? Kala
Wasn't
ko
he
magiging
their main
liability
point
nga
guard?
siya eh. He was their main point guard
That's the
because there
main
was no
point
one
guard.
else.
Yeah. So improving na rin yung ano niya, yung playmaking skills niya.
Exactly, oh.
To be really, and then off the bench, correct me if I'm wrong, but you still have Shawnee Winston, who absolute dynam. I think we could argue off the bench, Shawnee Winston could be the best scorer in the league off the bench. Yeah.
Delikado yun, oo. Tapos meron din silang Kevin Rakal,
Kevin
still a
Knox.
great shoot. He's still good. Kevin Rakal is a good shooter. Like, he's still
When
contributing
healthy,
to...
yeah. When healthy, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he contributes. Nakakatulong si Kevin Rakal.
Yeah.
He's not a net negative. JL De Los Santos at some points, like,
Yeah.
slowly...
JL's gaining it. Uh,
let's not forget, well, hopefully sina BJ
and
Andrade get better.
yeah.
Si ano, King Caralipio, bro.
King
Si King
Cara, yeah.
Caralipio. Off the
In
bench.
Inan
And then sina
Fornicio.
Magdenberg.
Is he healthy na?
Magdenberg.
Once he's
Oh,
healthy,
ano,
no? The ba ACL
when
siya?
he's healthy. I'm talking about
Yeah.
when he's healthy, yeah. Inan Fornillos has
Exactly.
greatly
Yeah.
improved from when we saw him with Marikina.
Yeah.
Shoemasters. He was
Oh,
with
yeah.
Marikina, diba? Remember?
Sa
Marikina
Marikina,
yan.
talon-talon lang yun.
Pero sa
He's improved.
PBA, may,
Much
yeah.
improved. So, right now, kung ikaw yung Converge, you should be very excited. You now have, I would argue, the best young core in the league, no?
No, may rain or shine pa.
No, oh, I don't know. I might actually have,
It's either
I might
1A,
have
1B.
Converge.
It's
I
1A,
might have
1B.
Converge on
O
this.
sige, Converge. Yeah, yeah. Why not?
Kasi,
Sige.
I understand yung sa
Rain or shine.
Ross. Pero to me, Ross is more of a Detroit Pistons type of team. Yung mga ganyan, yung like I mentioned before, wala silang main guy. Wala silang main guy na
So
mapupuntahan sa
Converge
lupa.
has at least 3.
Yeah, Converge.
Arana.
Right now, you have
Actually,
three.
apat
Well,
nga eh.
four.
Pwede
Yeah,
nga apat eh.
four.
Apat pala.
Yeah,
Balti, Arana, Stockton, Heading.
yeah.
Apat.
You can even add Shani. At
Actually,
some
with Shawnee
point,
din, pwede 5.
yeah, at
You're
some point,
starting 5. All Filipino mo? Gagi, ang
exactly,
lakas sa All Filipino na yan.
exactly. Yung all Filipino nila is when I think we will see the best out of Converge. Kasi all of a sudden, they may have they may have the biggest 4-5 combo in the league. With Arana and
And
Baltazar as
Balti.
4-5. Yeah, diba? I think the only one that can contest could be Japet and Isaac Go, pero they don't naman start together.
Oh, layo nun. Medyo malayo ang Japet Isaac sa Arana Balti. I'll take the Converge frontcourt any day.
So yeah, yung 4-5 matchup now. So in this upcoming conference, syempre may import. I like the import choice. Very
Jake
good import
Diallo.
choice. Because for me, if you're Converge, you don't need a scoring import.
Yeah. You don't need a
You need
scoring import. You don't need a scoring import. You just need an import
exactly.
to get the ball, get this, at least yun ang need ng team nila.
Yeah, exactly. They need rebounding and they need somebody who can defend the rim because Justin Arana isn't the best defender at the rim. So now that's what you need as an import, and then your guards can your guards and your forwards are good scorers naman at that to that extent. And then when it comes to the All Filipino Conference, that'll be when it's gonna be really fun. Um, I am kind of excited also. I want to go to the other side of this. Aljun Melesio now
Oh yeah,
going
with
to
Tera.
Terra. Hopefully, right? Kasi may glimpses of stardom eh.
I feel like it's gonna be another case of Wami Chongson-ish na he gets moved to Terra, he gets better. So
Yeah.
now they have pero it feels like a Dame and CJ kind of thing, like Aljun and Wami Chongson at the backcourt.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know
yeah.
what I mean? It's two
Yeah.
minuscule guards na would that work in the PBA? Yung ganun?
I mean,
Pwede.
pwede,
Sa PBA context.
considering na kasi, actually medyo mahihirapan
Medyo
yung,
mahirap rin, di ba? Parang, okay,
mahihirapan talaga
on,
sila.
like thinking about it, yeah, it looks like the potential of Aljon Melesio to get unleashed, di ba? Na wala na
Yeah,
siyang leash, wala nang, well, it's all green light
it's
along
all
with
green light.
Wami.
Yeah. Basically, Terraform is the only place you have a green light to shoot whatever the fuck you want, diba?
Oh,
Finally, Aljun Malaysia can shoot his off the dribble 3-point shots, which
step back three.
his
Off the
step back
dribble, step
threes,
back three.
yung Timo Cruz niyang fast break 3-pointers, yung mga ganyan niya.
Aljon's an
That
exciting player.
Yeah, so I'm excited for Aljun as well in that scenario. I'm kind of thrown off na binigay ng Converge si Zaldivar,
Yeah,
considering
si Keith
Zaldivar is
Zaldivar.
kind of big. Zaldivar is how tall is Keith? Isn't Keith like almost 6'7"?
6'4", 6'5". No,
Yeah,
I think
6'7".
6'5". Mga
Talaga
6'5"
ba?
si Keith Zaldivar.
Okay, ayun. So, a pretty tall guy in the PBA. So, you lost one of yours. But then, yun nga, medyo marami naman silang bigs when you include Balti and all that shit. So, Converge looking fun. As early as now, I do believe that they could be a semi-final team.
Semifinals in the Commissioner's Cup. Okay, ako rin.
Yeah,
I feel like Converge is a semifinals team in the Commissioner's Cup.
yeah.
Anything less
At
than
the
that,
least, at the
anything
least.
less than, at the least, yeah, anything less than that for me is a disappointment kung matanggal sila sa quarters with that lineup.
With that lineup, yeah, I agree. And their coaching staff has been is very very good. It's a very nice mix of Coach
It's a
yeah,
modern stuff. Like it's a coaching staff that embraces modern philosophies.
exactly. So that'll be really fun. I'm excited to see Converge. I think when does it start? 2 weeks from now? 3 weeks from now?
After
A
ng
month?
Gilas so alam ko first week of December agad.
Okay, so a month from
Agad-agad like mga December 1, 2. Basta Gilas ends at I think November 27 pa nga Mario eh. I think
now. Mm-hmm.
Because Gilas ends at November 24 and then a few days to rest and then simula na agad yun eh.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, makes sense. So yeah, we'll see it very early. Hopefully Jordan is in game shape. Hopefully, well, I don't. Is Balti
Yes.
gonna make it? Kasi nasa MPBL pa.
Abot yan bro kasi finals na after na. Alam
Gagi,
mo
anong panahon na yun, ha?
kung kung natalo kanina Quezon, finals na eh. Kasi ang
Best of
Pampanga
three lang ba yun?
national finals na. Nasa national finals na Pampanga.
Ah, talaga ba?
Oh,
Eh,
Pampanga's in the national finals.
They eliminated San Juan?
Yeah,
Oh man, Orlan Wamar, please come to the PBA.
I don't think he's gonna get into the PV.
I think Orlan Wamar is a great batter. Talaga
Yeah,
ba?
pero
Tabang
he's
ka pala.
good, but it doesn't mean he's good enough for the PBA.
Best of three lang tong, ano, division final.
Pampanga's in the national finals, hero. There, look at the graphic. It's them, oh. It's Pampanga na. Yeah.
Oh, damn, best of three lang pala to. Kaya pala medyo important tong game na to for Quezon.
Oo, sobrang kailangan na manalo dyan kasi tapos na sana kanina. And then
Oo.
nag-start na yung finals this week or this weekend.
Tang ina. Okay, gets.
Oh,
Kaya pala
anyway,
sobrang saya ng Quezon fans. Okay. Okay, anyway. So yeah, Balti will make it to the PBA.
aabot siya, aabot siya.
But siya. So
He is
it will
expected to
finally
be.
be a full kasi may injuries pa rin ang Converge. Pero medyo ito na ang lineup talaga ng Converge. What we will see for the near future. So hopefully it's really good. Hopefully at the same time Arana is healthy, diba? He had some injuries to close out the season, pero hopefully he's healthy as well. So it's gonna be really fun.